Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be watching some very questionable detailing hacks and car hacks. So first up we have some hacks from 5 Minute Crafts, and when I see 5 Minute Crafts I know that we are in for a treat. So I'm trying to record with my dogs in the background. If you can hear them, that's what it is. My dogs are in the background. So let's just go and quickly watch what's happening on this video. Okay, from the get-go I don't think this is safe. Now, I don't know about you, but I am not going to stick my brand new iPhone onto the back of my car with a sticky pad and hope for the best. Are you going to do that? Unless you're going to do something that's really low movement. I am not doing that with my brand new phone. Thank you very much. That is a terrible hack. Please don't do that. You will lose your phone. I have used rubber gloves to take some hairs off seats and off me with my dogs and stuff, but I've never thought about using a balloon, and I don't think I would go through that effort. Just use a rubber glove or use a pet tool. You can buy them on Amazon for like £5 or £6. Don't do this. It's an absolute waste. Blowing up the balloon and then letting it down. Dry ice machine. Alright, we all know that will work, but maybe not to the extent that they've done it. But the thing is, dry ice is so super duper expensive, and that's why nobody can afford to do it. And that's why if you are getting it done, it costs a bomb. So it's really not a good hack. There's no way that slime is going to lift all that dirt off that steering wheel. Did you see how much dirt there was on the steering wheel? There is no way in hell. If you don't want to clean your car properly with detail and stuff, just get a baby wipe. Like, it's literally not that hard. We don't need to be using all these crazy things in 2024. Do you know what? It's not a bad hack. That'll keep your shopping upright at least. It might actually rip through the paper bags, but we're not going to complain about that one. Where is this go? Excuse me? I don't think it'd be as easy as that. Like, I honestly, being a female, I don't think that would be as easy. You're not going to be able to just slip up your skirt. Oh god, like in the middle of a busy parking, like a car park. I don't recommend that one. My hair, okay. Oh no, don't do that. Let's continue. Excuse me? How did they do this? I don't know if that's smart or stupid. I'm not too sure on that one. Look. We've all been here. We've all ran out of fuel. We've all been there before. A funnel works too. There is no way that works. There's like no chance that works. If I could do that to a random car, do you not think I could go out and steal everybody's car in the middle of the night? Talcum powder, is it? It's just powder though. Wet vac. Sure, we know that. It's not really a hack. It's kind of, you know, what you do. Still stinking though. The seat's still dirty. The thing is, if you don't know what you're doing with cars, you shouldn't be touching your battery and stuff like that. If you don't know like how to use a spanner, then you shouldn't be. You just shouldn't be using a spanner or any sort of tools. Probably does work, to be fair, but we're not going to try that. I'm not going to be trying that. Don't wink at me like that. I did not like that. That was very creepy, and he had no need to wink at us through the camera like that. And what was the point in that? I don't understand why you would put a frame on your wing mirror. Oh, some of these are so questionable, it's unreal. There is no way in hell that worked. There is just none. Not a chance that worked. I'm not sure how I feel about this video. It's really giving bad information out. Be glad. You will be there a while if you're trying to cover those scrapes with a colour that doesn't even match, first off. And it's not going to look good. It's not going to make it any better. Scrapes like that, you can't make them look better with touch up. You might take the colour away, but you're not going to make them look better. So you're wasting your time. Get someone to paint it. Wow. Did anyone see how good the bumper was? And he expects you to believe he did that with nail varnish. This guy. That's okay if you have got a nappy in your car. If you're a mum or a dad and you've got a nappy lying about, that will be a good hack. But like, realistically, how many of us have nappies in our car? They don't just carry nappies around like spare, and nappies are expensive, so they're not going to use nappies to clean up that little tiny bit of water that was in the car. Use a microfiber, use some McDonald's napkins that you have lying in the drawer that you've had for years. Use those. We don't need to be using nappies. The teachers used toothpaste and a toothbrush. Someone explain to me what the point of that was. He has a microfiber there anyway. Why was he rubbing the dirt in with the toothbrush? Just wipe off. Get the microfiber out and wipe it off. I don't understand what the need for all that was. That was crazy. We don't need that. He's trying to tell us that his car is moving about because his exhaust, I'm assuming, is hanging off or whatever. He has just magically pulled the top off the Monster tin and put it into his exhaust so that it's got a hole in it, a perfect circle. These are things that you're going to have 5 minutes to do, 5-minute hacks. I don't understand where he's getting these terrible ideas. I have to believe that these are actually just people trolling us right now. He looks so pleased with himself. That is... Just put the gear knob back on that you had. Just put it back on. Get a washer for it and put it back on. This is me. I can't reach the roof. She's not standing there. I know she's skinny, but like that is... I don't advise that. You don't want to be bending your clasp for your door. You don't want to do that. Don't do this. I'm sure there's an easier way. Just get a stepladder, stand on the side. What is this? Okay. Blow it up, girl. Blow it up. Oh yeah. She's got an airbed for the back of the car. That one's fine. And if you want to go like to a drive-in cinema, or if you want to go to watch the Northern Lights and stuff like that, or watch stars, or go out and wherever you want to do in the back of your car, you can do. But that's not bad. That's a good little hack. That looks so comfy though. Actually, she's going to make the mats. Everyone was making those at a time with the old school carpet. I remember that when I was like in primary school, or even before primary school. I hate these ducks. I really hate these ducks, but each to their own. But I really don't like them at all. Right. Let's see how this goes. She put it on pretty straight, to be fair to her. What are we doing with this reflective tape? What's the point in it? I know what I'm doing with the S2000 this year, guys. I know what I'm doing. The S2000 is going to look sick at Dubshed. This is the vibe I'm going for. There's a show winner there, right there. What is the point? Like, you have headlights and taillights, so people are going to see you at night anyway. You don't need to be reflective. Who you're reflecting from? That's horrendous. That's the most horrendous thing I've ever saw in my life. Yeah. Pink snow foam. I'm here for it. Oh, come on. That wee cube is so cute. Let's be honest, that is cute. But we all know, we all have coloured snow foam. It's not really like a hack. What's the hack here? You're washing your car at a car wash? A self-service car wash? She did a terrible job at cleaning it. She did a terrible job at cleaning it. There's still dirt on it. This doll hasn't an ocean. What was the point in drying a little section and then getting the blower? They're hoovering the car now. Okay, so they're actually at a detailer's now, and they're cleaning the carpets and stuff. That's all good. That's what we like to see. But obviously they are at a detailing place because they've got the proper equipment. That car's so cool. I'm glad that they finished up on something half decent and, give it a good... They have done a good job. They take the seats and stuff out, so it is actually quite a good job. These 5-minute hacks are so questionable that I don't think anyone's going to use them. The last section was kind of okay because they were at a proper detail in place. The people were trying to clean the car properly. I don't see many people using these hacks day to day. There is a whole bunch of these on YouTube, so if you want to see me doing some more of these, let me know and I will be sure to make some. But yeah, that was Definitely a questionable 20 minutes of my life that I will not get back. Let me know which one you thought was the worst. Anyway guys, if you like this sort of content, please give it a big thumbs up. I am going to try and make more content this year. I have 2 videos up this year already. Check me out. I only had 8 last year, so it is kind of nice. But if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I am going to try and post more this year. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.